Okay, so I'm going to show you how to customize my coffee cup mock-up. So here is the original image, and then there's the design on it. You'll see when you open up that folder, you have a lid color, cup design, cup color. Very simple. Under the cup color, you do have an effect, which is a pattern, and I'll show you how to use that once we get into it. But just to start, lid color, you just double click on the little box there. You can change up the color. So let's make this one do like a blue, like so. And then we will double click on that smart object. So right here, you'll see I double click right there. I have these stripes in here that I added. And then I think, so this is just a logo. I'm going to add, you would just add whatever design you want to do, but I'm going to change the color to, let's do like a red orange color there. Hit save. It'll automatically update on the actual cup size. Sometimes what I like to do too, just for making things easy, if I'm doing a lot of designs, if you double click on that smart object to grab that window and you pull it over to the right or the left till it goes blue, you can see when you make updates then. So let's say we want this to be like a green. You'll see it reflect on the other side, which is kind of cool. We'll leave that as red. Go back here and now double click on the cup color, and I'm just going to do a similar kind of blue like that. So very simple, very neat. So now let's say we want to do like a paper cup, like a cardboard one. So I'm going to add the pattern overlay, and I'm going to change the color here to a more like brown. Go into the cup design. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I'm going to make this white there, which I did a custom floral. I'm going to actually change that because it's the white, very white will help show up on the cup a lot more. So you get save. I'm going to move that to the side so I can see it. So you can see the pattern or the color now, or the floral pattern updated, like so. And then I think I'm going to do one on top too. So it kind of wraps around the logo, like so. And then we'll go back to this and let's just change the cup to be white or like a little off white, like so. And there you go.